you praying? Hold your breath. It's flying. Going down. I've got some 2x4s if you need them to push on it. Spin, baby, spin. Look at that. So that's the outside. Yeah, okay. Yeah. The wind is turning it. Do you want me to hold that side so it doesn't take off? There's somebody? Okay. Stay back. Hey, go get me a 2x4. Do you have a 2x4? Over by the thing. Hold on. We better back up more. Give them lots of room. It's rocking and rolling. Not till after the inspector comes and inspects it. Yep.
This is almost like...
Here, let's come this way. Let's see it when it goes down in the hole over here. Still got a ways to go, huh?
Yeah.
There she goes. No, we needed it that big because it's got to be buried by a ways.
Look at those stabilizers.
Yeah, good thing they're stabilizers. Oh, sure. We also have the excavator, the little one. Too heavy for it? Okay. All right. Okay, never mind. Okay.
Telling them that they'll have to get
They're gonna back up some more. Okay. They're gonna back up the truck more so they can move the tank further over. That was the tower steering.
It's almost like a crane truck.
Yeah, almost like a crane truck, huh?
It's just for different. It's a septic truck. I came over here to come see the septic.
Yeah.
put in.
Gotta see the septic get put in.
This old truck, these tanks don't want to come off it's not a very level pad.
Yeah.
I had to have one quit and fix me one. It was like this thing won't come off if we don't fix it.
That truck looks level. He said that earlier. I wonder if they had go in the septic to put it. I guess they have a mold for it. I guess they have a mold that they use.
Yeah, they do. They have a mold that they use to pour the concrete. You're right.
Giving grandmother kills one of the plastic septic.
Yeah.
We got a concrete one.
Now don't get smooshed, guys.
They must be very careful
Yep, they must be very careful. That's right.
with the septic so they don't break it. Mom, you think they're soft sand? That's a big leg.
Yeah.
Mama.
Yep.
The mole must have wheels on it. The mole must have.
I don't know if it does or not, honey.
That almost looks like a tow truck, Mom.
Yeah, watch your toes, definitely.
Parking on the center. I guess there is
weight to it.
Now you can.
Nice. There we go. I think that's it.